This is Sergeant Locksmith there. Okay, so got called over to a resident. They've been gone out of town for a while, and they come home and there's Slim Jims, not in one, but two of their vehicles. So the PD, where we're at, don't really care. They don't seem to want to do anything, so we're going to open this vehicle the proper way. I'm going to use my favorite tool, the old S tool, as you can see. Then I'm going to have to rip the door panel apart and get me a free Slim Jim. So with this being said, you can use the S tool for these verticals. Not every lock you see is going to be a Slim Jim that has a vertical lock. Fun part is trying to get in here where I'm hitting the Slim Jim, but I need to get on the linkage. And like I said, I like going on the passenger side just because I don't have to worry about messing with the drivers, electronics and crap. All right, we got her open. So go ahead and stop the video and I'll go inside and start pulling the door panel and we'll see what it got stuck on. Okay, so here, as you can see, is the old Slim Jim. So give you just a little quick overview of the inside. We're going to go ahead and take all the Phillips screws out. One thing you got to remember on some of your older vehicles, when you put back on the door handle, you do have a little metal ring. I don't think you'll be able to see it with this. And we'll pop that out and get the door panel off, and let's see what's in there. Next time I start the video, I'll have the panel off. All right, Sergeant Locksmith. All right, we got the door panel off. There we go. The actual tool is bent inside the door. So we'll go ahead and get this removed, get it all put back together, get the customer happy, and let them know they're good to go. Hey, thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Let's be safe out there. All right, hey, Sergeant Locksmith. So we got it all back together. Door works. Now I'm locking the vehicle, and for shits and giggles, we're gonna try doing this with our Slim Jim that we have. All right, since we got that POS out, go ahead and take my unlock tool from Access Tools. Just because you have a Slim Jim does not make you a locksmith or a car opener. There you go. See? Oh, look at that. The tool came out. So, just because you can buy one doesn't mean you need to own one. And let's go ahead and go on to the